Today, we're creating a blazing text animation using the Ablaze loop effect. This animation gives your text a hot, fiery distortion that's perfect for energetic or dramatic edits. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut. From the bottom toolbar, tap Text and then tap Add Text. Type the text you want. Short words or titles work great with this effect. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a bold or strong font style. Thicker fonts really enhance the blazing movement and make the effect stand out. Now tap the Animation tab, switch to the Loop section, and scroll until you find Ablaze. Tap it, and you'll immediately see the fiery heat wave distortion applied to your text. Below the preview is the duration slider. Slide left for a fast, intense blazing effect. Slide right for a slower, smoother, fiery motion. Adjust the speed depending on whether you want a dramatic or subtle burn effect. And that's it. You've created a strong and stylish blazing text animation in CapCut Mobile. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile tutorials.